So hello everyone, welcome to the third video of differentiation. Today we are going to start the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, logarithmic differentiation. Now what does this mean? This means function to the power function. If the question is given in which there is function to the power function, what do I mean by function to the power function? I mean this. X is our function. Okay, f(x) equals to x to the power x to the power x, y to the power x, x to the power log x, log x to the power x. These all are function to the power function, isn't it? This is also function, this is also function, this is also a function, this is also a function. Here this is also a function and this is also a function. So how are we going to solve it? So here I have written few steps to solve it. Steps to solve: number 1, take log both side. The first and foremost step is to take log both side. If you come across any types of question that look similar to this, you all need to take the log on the both side first. Okay, step 1. And step 2 is differentiate using product rule. What is the product rule? That is d by dx of u by v, u into v equals to u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. This is our product rule we have seen in the last class, isn't it? So let us see again what is logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation is function to the power function. Okay, what do I mean by function to the power function? I mean this function to the power x to the power x, y to the power x, x to the power log x to the power x. These all are what? Function to the power function. Now how can we solve it? How can we apply these steps? Here I have taken one example, that is x to the power x to the power square, isn't it? I have taken what? X to the power x to the power square. Now what we have been given? We have been given y equals to x to the power x to the power square, isn't it? So what we can write? This is, what is this? This is the bracket. So what we can, the power can be multiplied if there is bracket in the middle. Like what we can do? 2 bracket 4. This means 2 into 4, isn't it? Equals to 8. So in the same way, this will also be multiplied. Okay, so x into 2, what we get? 2x, isn't it? X to the power 2x. This is our what? This is our function to the power function. Now what was our step 1? Take log both side. Now taking both side log, okay, what we can get? Here also log, here also log. So log y equals to log x 2x, log x to the power 2x, isn't it? So one of the amazing characteristics of log is, property of log is, if we get anything like this, log m to the power n, then this n will get shifted to the front. This n can get shifted to the front. So here we had n to the power m, isn't it? So n will come at the front. Okay, so what we can do? 2x will come to the front, so 2x into log x. This is one of the property of log. Okay, so what we have now? Log x equals to 2x into log x. Now we can differentiate from here. How? Differentiate using product rule, isn't it? So we have u, this is our u and this is our v. So differentiating with respect to x, what we get? Now log y, we will assume this as x. Okay, we will assume this y as x. So log x equals to 1 by x, means 1 by y. This y we have assumed as x. Okay, so 1 by y equals to, now we have only assumed this is not our actual x, so d by dx of y. Understood? First what we did was we assumed this as x, so log x is 1 by x. So we have assumed y, 1 by y equals to, so again x is not x, so what we can do, we can again differentiate, then we will get d by dx of y equals to, now I have used here product rule, this product rule. Okay, this is our u, this is our v, so u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u, isn't it? So this will be left as it is. Now 2x as it is, d by dx of log x is 1 by x, okay, plus log x d by dx of, see, this 2 will get in front. Okay, since this is the constant, so dy dx of 2x, what we can write, 2 dy dx of x, isn't it? So 2 dy dx of x is 1, so 2 into 1, it's 2 only, so here 2. Okay, so 1 by x dy by dx equals to, this x will get cancelled, so only 2 plus 2 into log x is 2 log x. Okay, now what we can do, we can take common what, 2, so I have taken 2 common here, 2 1s are 2 plus log x, isn't it? So again this is in division form, it will go this side, and multiply, so 2 dy by dx equals to 2y. So what is the value of y? The value of y is x in x to the power 2x. So what I have written, in the place of y I have written x to the power 2x, so 2 into x to the power 2x in the bracket 1 plus x, 1 plus log x. This is our answer. So this is our logarithmic differentiation. So what we did was only use these two methods, these two steps to solve the questions. First of all, we have to take the log and differentiate using the product rule. You need to remember this property. This will be used everywhere in the questions of logarithmic differentiation. So thank you. In the next video we will go for some complex questions, so stay tuned.